Fred works in a factory. He does not have a wife, and he gets quite a lot of money every week. He loves cars, and he has a new one every year. He likes driving very fast, and he always buys small, fast red cars. He sometimes takes his mother out in them, and then she always says, "But Fred, why do you drive these cars? We're almost sitting on the road." Then Fred laughs and is happy. He likes being very near the road. Fred is very tall and very fat. Last week, he came out of a shop and went to his car. There was a small boy near it. He was looking at the beautiful red car. Then he looked up and saw Fred. "How do you get into that small car?" he asked him. Fred laughed and said, "I don't get into it. I put it on."